Hello and welcome to MOTOCOM tutorials. So in today's tutorial, I'll be letting you know how to set up a review-based website. So let us begin. After the user has purchased and downloaded our multi-concept WordPress theme, we need to begin with the activation of same. For this, we will go to Appearance tab. Here you see the multi-concept WordPress theme by MOTOCOM and need to activate it. Further, it will take us to activation page where the user needs to put the authentication key which he can get from members area and save the changes. So you can see the successfully authenticated message asking you to click here. This will take us to the plugin installation page where we need to install the plugins related to our site. First and foremost will be the basic required plugins installation. So here you can see two options to install the same. First, the auto install. It allows the user to get all the plugins by a single click. Next up, the user can also choose to manually install one by one all the plugins inside it. I am opting for the auto install process. It will take a few seconds to display the successfully authenticated message. You can see it here and the page will refresh. If you see this page, we need to again go back to the plugin installation page. For this, we will need to go to the settings tab and go on plugin screen. So here we are back on the plugins page. Next up, we need to install the plugins for the review-based site. So here you can see for the review-based business plugin. I am again opting for the auto install option. It will ask you to wait for some time before it actually gets installed. So as you can see, the plugin has been successfully installed and the page has refreshed. Next up, the user can choose to manually build pages from scratch or use the demo importer plugin. So I am going for the demo importer plugin, which I have already downloaded on my desktop. You can get it from the members area like the authentication key. For this, we need to go to the plugins tab and add new option. Here you need to choose the upload plugin option. The file needs to be chosen, for example, the demo importer plugin. And click on install now. Further, you need to activate the plugin. So after activating the demo importer plugin, you will be redirected to the page where 17 niche demos can be seen. So you can filter based on the review website here. As you can see this, you can choose to preview or import the demo. I am going for importing the demo. It will take a few seconds. So as it has been successfully imported, the screen will refresh. Thus the plugin has successfully installed. Now we can choose to visit the site on another tab. This is how our review website looks like. Top ranking products recent post. Now if you want to make any changes, you can do it from the backend. Let me show you how. So currently you need to go to the review settings. You can go to the site reviews tab. So I'm currently going to see all reviews. Here you can see all the reviews that has been posted along with the ratings and stars and submitted date. Now you can choose to any action that you want to add it, any review or move to trash. Similarly, you can choose to put the categories for the reviews. It can be anything like the political or it is a product related. Similarly, you can choose to opt for making any changes to the settings via Settings tab. These are the general settings, which includes delete the data on uninstalling the app. So you can choose from the drop down. Similarly, plug install for site reviews, you can choose that. If the reviews needs to be approved by you, you can choose that yes or no. Whether login is required, this can be also chosen. If you opt for multilingual, this drop down can also be chosen. And you can choose to put notifications to the administrator, author of the page, one or more email address, and send to Slack. So you can checkbox any of them. Similarly, you can set the settings for review, submissions, schema, and translation. So for review, you can choose how the date format should be, how the name format of the given reviewer should appear, review assignment, and whether you want to enable the assign links, enable avatar, likewise, and submit the changes. Here you can see the save the changes. Next up, you can also choose to make settings for submissions, schema, and translations. So that's all about the review website. Thank you for watching the video.